Hi Olivia, this is your video lesson here, just for you to use it when you're practicing this week with your guitar, to go over a couple things that you're going to be practicing on. I just want to review them. I'm going to show you a warm-up that I want you to do on here. You'll get all three of these fingers nice and warmed up. And also I'm going to play a few times the song that you're going to be practicing, Spanish theme, and just give me a few tips for that. So real quick, just to start, I want to show the warm-up that I want you to do. It's going to be using these two strings, the second string and the first string, two of the ones that you've learned on here. So I just want to start here by showing you what we're going to do. Let me show you the warm-up first, then I'll break it down and show you exactly how it's done. So that's the warm-up that I want you to do a few times just to get those fingers going. But let me show you how it's done here. We're going to start on the second string. You're going to play it open. So that means your fingers aren't touching at all. Open string. Then with your first finger on the first fret, second finger on the second fret, third finger on the third fret. And that's all on the second string. So it goes open, first, second, third. Then from there, we're going to do that same pattern, but now on the first string. So it goes open, first fret, second fret, third fret. So just to play that first half of it together, where we're going up the strings, second string, open, first, second, third, first string, open, first fret, second fret, third fret. So that goes one more time. Then from there, we want to go back down the strings using that same pattern, just going down on here. So to demonstrate, starting on the first string, third fret with your third finger, third fret, second fret, first fret, open. Then you do the same thing on the second string, third fret, second fret, first fret, open. So that whole part going down of the warm-up, the second half of it is first string, third fret, second fret, first fret, open, second string, third fret, second fret, first fret, open. So just to go through that entire warm-up one more time. I'm sorry, it's a little hard doing it like this. Yeah, one more time. So that's what it sounds like. Do it really slow. You do not have to play it fast. Just the point of it is to get your fingers working on there, get them going. That's really what we want to do first and foremost with this. So that's the first thing I want you to practice. That may be about 5 or 10 minutes. Then from there, I want you to practice the song, Spanish theme. So I'm going to play it here a couple times. It's going to be going really slow when I play it. And I'll count in on it, okay? For this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, let me do this one more time. We count in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what it sounds like, just for you to give you an idea, a little reference point with it. I'm going to play it again on here a little slower, and I'm going to call out the notes that I'm playing while I play them, just so you kind of get an idea on here for it. So let me do that while I play it this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, C, D, F, D, C, B, G, F, D, C, B, C, B, C, D, F, B, C, D, F, D, C, B. So that's just an idea of what that one sounds like on there, and that's the notes I was reading while I was playing it. Maybe you could practice that going just a few times. Right now, it doesn't really matter how fast you could play it. I just want you to play it slow and get the notes right. And if there's a section that you're having trouble with, that's okay. If there's a little passage, we can focus on that for your next lesson and go a little more in depth for it. So those are just the things I want you to practice this week, going with that warm-up. You don't have to play it that fast. You can play it really slow. So it doesn't matter how fast you play, I just want you to get those fingers going. And also, if you could just practice Spanish theme, get as far with it as you can. If you could play it all, that's great. If it goes slow, that's not a problem, just as long as you can play it on here. So that's really all that I have for this week. If you have any questions or anything, let your mom know, or Ronaldo, and I'll go ahead and give you any tips or anything I can to help you out. So have fun practicing, and I'll see you at your next lesson. Bye.